JX4507 backhoe loader is an upgraded model based on JX45. The upgraded luxury cabin with ROPS and FOPS certification ensures maximum safety and comfort for the operator. And the strengthened digging arm gives the machine a more robust and heavy-duty appearance, resulting in more efficient digging performance. With 2.5-ton loading capacity, JX4507 is powered by 75 kilowatt UCHI engine, or optional 100 horsepower Cummins engine. H-leg with hydraulic side shaft function is preferred by many customers. You can easily switch between 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive based on different working environment.